Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. It's Friday again, but this time it's a nice Friday. No? What do you say? It's a nice Friday or not? Let's see the chat. Morning, Dave. Morning, Sebastian. Morning, Andrei. Hey, Menas. Hey, Sebastian. Hey, Bukur. Nice to see you, people. This time, because we had news, we had developments, Bitcoin is above the old all-time high. I decided to make the live stream public for everyone. So, if you didn't do it already, you can go and just repost the tweet. Okay? I posted in the chat. Okay. That being said, let's start with Bitcoin on daily. Bitcoin CME, you know it's my favorite lately. Why? Because we have the gaps and better levels. The market is captured by the institutions now on Bitcoin. So why the fuck not? Let's look at CME. What do we see here? What was resistance? We have 1, 2, 3 days and a potential gap above that level. What was resistance now becomes support. Yeah? And we discussed that. Some people are still denying. Some people are still shorting. Well, good luck with that, people. I don't want to be ugly. I don't want to be rude. But when Bitcoin is in price discovery, respect that. At least let it pump, and then maybe you'll think about something. To go and I don't know, catch falling knives on the opposite direction to the upside, it's even more dangerous than to the downside. Why? Well, if the knife will go to the downside, will hit the floor at some point in time. But high, you don't know how high it will go. On the downside, you have some support levels. Okay? Well, this is support. Probably will stop here. To the upside, in price discovery, you don't have anything. You are just guessing, well, maybe this, maybe that. Unfortunately, even last night I had a guy that he told me that he has a problem. I explained him that it's not a good idea to fuck around with Bitcoin in price discovery. He told me nicely that he will consider, but he have to keep in mind other opinions. And I said, okay, good luck. Do whatever you want. I don't have to explain the result. I still see in DMs, I still see people, well, when retracement? Who the fuck knows when retracement? And why the fuck I should care about retracement? Please tell me in the comments if I'm not monetizing this this YouTube channel. It's okay for me to swear, to say bad words here? Okay. I could do whatever I want, no? Okay. We don't intend to monetize for the moment, people. We are just... I'm enjoying live streaming for everyone. In my mind, maybe it's just in my mind, I'm helping people. Maybe it's just in my mind, it's just my opinion. Who knows? But idea is respect the pump. We don't know where this one will stop. Wants to stop here, okay. Wants to stop to 120, okay. Wants to stop to 150, okay. 200, we don't know. Let's admit that we don't know where the pump will stop. So why I should short? Why I should try to do something? You know me, I want to hedge my spot portfolio. But when I have something, when I have a setup, why I should bother catching falling knives? I know it's ugly to repeat you, but please don't do that. Behave like a professional. You see the market pumping. You know you know that probably altcoins will catch up and you are still shorting. Okay? Don't, please, if you do that, please don't DM. Please don't ask me what to do when you get in trouble. Please don't do it. Because I don't fucking have a solution for you. Okay? In the same time, don't come and FOMO in like beginners here at 120. Well, buy some Bitcoin because someone said we'll go to 200. No. You bought it when you're supposed to. Now it's a bit late. But in the same time, you have some shit coins that could help you. And you see one here. 50%. Well, people, that's a beginning of altcoin season. When you see 50%, it's a beginning. When you see 200%, you are in full swing. Okay. So, Bitcoin on CME. Chart is strong. Nothing to complain. Wants to push higher. I like it. I don't like the fact that I see this divergence here. Okay. You can see this is a divergence already on daily. We'll have to be patient. Could pump a lot more. We will have to look at weekly. Keep in mind, don't chase here. Please don't chase. Could be the top. It's possible. I'll look on the other chart. Classic. You know my style. You know how I did it. A, B, C, D, big one, small one. The target for me as a take profit on Bitcoin could be here. 135. Could do another one? Yes, maybe, but probably we'll do an AB equals CD and then we'll retrace, and then maybe in the fall, end of the year, we'll do another round, if will be the case. For the moment, I'm respecting the pump. Okay, similar here. Yeah, looks a lot nicer now. Putting the crystal ball, crystal globe. It's getting closer to the green line. I told you multiple times looking at this chart here, I said, do you see this chart bearish? Everyone said no, but I don't know how many of you position yourself properly. I don't know that. In one way, is not my fucking problem. Yeah? So, that's crystal ball. Now, let's take a look at what Ethereum has. Well, guess what? Ethereum is testing $3,000. 3.6. You think it's possible? I think yes. We'll go straight there? I don't fucking know. We have a resistance above. Because Bitcoin is at all-time high, you think Ethereum could catch up a little bit and pump? I think so. I will short Ethereum. Fuck no, not even at 3,000. I don't want to hear about shorting Ethereum here. I don't. It's that simple. Okay. Someone says that, yeah, you have momentum behind, just trade that. Use Holy Grail. You're right, Sebastian. That's my 2 cents also. You see everything pumping, you don't want to be right. You don't want, well, I'll call the top. I'll be right. No, you want to get behind the Holy Grail indicator and trail the fuck out of Holy Grail as long as you can. If you see the trend starting on some shitcoins, go there, use Holy Grail. If you want to see how well it's working, ask Olaf on Premium or even on General Chat. Just DM or tag, don't DM, tag Olaf and ask him how it's Holy Grail is working these days. Yeah. Okay. So, well, we'll get in the short reload zone. People, I'm not allowed to buy in short reload zone. That doesn't mean I will short in short reload zone. I'll just wait. Target is here. Enjoy myself. I could trade on lower time frame 5-minute chart with Holy Grail. Of course I can. I'll do it. Yes. Why not? Exactly. He wants to take them all. He gets risk free. Okay, I have another free position. So, Ethereum here, strong, respected, trade it with Holy Grail if you can. I'm not shorting it. You do whatever you want. I'm not a financial advisor. Okay. Indicators look really nice. Nothing to complain. I want this one to pump harder. Why? I want the OBV above this high. That will destroy all the bearish divergence. Okay, next one. Let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance. And Bitcoin dominance, can you imagine? Bitcoin so high and Bitcoin dominance didn't do anything? Dominance is below 66. I could, I don't know, not guess. Let's say, think about maybe this was the top for dominance, or we are close to a top on dominance. For the moment, yes. I have clear daily M, clear fake out here, confirmation. Will retest? Possibly. Even if we'll push higher, we are at 65 and we should be extra careful here because could be the top on Bitcoin dominance. Some people still believe 70% is the top, will be the top. Who knows? But 65 is closer to 70 than to 50. So imagine if we'll drop to 50, what will happen with altcoins. Okay, now that's dominance. We waited for EMs. We have the EMs. Enjoy yourself, people. Happy hunting. What the fuck I could say? Happy hunting. That's why you are here in Crypto Traders Arena. To make some money, no? Someone to help you with an idea. Someone to give you an overview. And you to make a plan and make some money. Okay, next one. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. A stupid trader told you about a AB equals CD, even a bot setup here. And I told you that Ethereum will start outperforming Bitcoin. Well, we are on that direction. If we'll take this level, next stop is this target. Why? If you zoom out and you look left, 003, it's a fucking important level. So, if we'll accept above these levels, straight to the target, in my opinion. We'll go today, tomorrow, I don't know. Not my business to calculate that. But overall, two things about Ethereum versus Bitcoin. First, we are at the resistance, so we are not allowed to chase here. Second, looks strong and yeah, could push straight up to here and even higher. Let's take a look at ES. No new high, equal highs, but the market is still strong. Just look at it. I cannot complain about ES. Probably today will make a new high. A new day, a new high. Probably. I don't know for sure. It's Friday. Some people could, some big important people could put a bad news just to postpone it, but looks damn strong. Gold. Range, nothing special. I don't want to talk too much about gold because it's in a range. A symmetrical triangle, okay. I will probably do a fake out to the upside. If you see the fake out from the symmetrical triangle, some people at least know what that means. Okay, total. That's a nice chart to see. We took this one. I'll feel even better if we'll take the all-time high. Okay, slow and steady. I wanted these two levels. We closed above. That's nice. 3.5 trillion. Now get above 3.7, push to 400 and make it a support or consolidate it. Okay? And after that, well, we can talk about some targets if you really want. I could take this entire consolidation and put a house level and I could show you something. If you really want to, but I need a price above. You want to just give you an idea? Okay, this will be a weekly W. And if I'll put something like this, let's put a house level. There you go. Want to see some real targets for the end of the bull market? Well, 6 trillion, 8 trillion, 14. You want more? I don't know. There are more levels, but I don't know which one will be the top. But you can think about 6. Well, some shitcoins will pump like hell when if we'll hit 6. 8. Well, or 9. Well, even better. You get the idea. For the moment, it's summertime. I don't want to be too excited about, well, the new bull market and things. You know, it's summertime and usually it's not the best moment to think tops. But I'm enjoying the pump. Yeah, and I think we'll take the high, and I think one of these levels will be the top. Which one? I don't know. We'll have to see there. Total 3, similar. We are still below these levels. We need to take the liquidity here and higher and higher. Will happen sooner than you think, or faster than you think. This is my 2 cents. Let's see the chat. Yeah, Stefan, big, beautiful bill. Exactly. No, it's not the same script, Menace, because why? Once every 4 years, we have a so-called bull market on crypto. And people are used to traditional market and will say, well, in the summertime we go sideways and we'll do that. But every 4 years, crypto is proving something else. But the top will come in the summer. It's possible. I'm not saying it's impossible. But probably not. We'll have another round. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe this time it's, well, we have institutions, a lot of big players. Maybe it's different. But maybe they'll push the market to the new highs before December on Bitcoin and big crypto, so they could brag about how much profit they made, and they'll close the trades in profit in December because they need to, so they could brag about how much money they made this year. What do you think? It's possible for them to say, okay, let's pump the market in December, let's get the fuck out, let's bring the public in, let's exit, and we can start next year if it will be the case, but let's book real profits. Well, Trump is tired of winning. I'm not tired of winning, not yet. I'll tell you when I'm tired. So that's my overview, people. Altcoins, shitcoins, it's a bit late to chase them. Don't chase something like this here, people. Please don't do it. Please don't do it. Wait for a retracement. Doesn't matter if we'll pump all the way to the target. Wait for a retracement. Draw a long reload zone. Don't fucking FOMO and buy tops. Don't chase the market. You didn't buy the bottom here and now you are buying here because you are missing the boss. Well, you are stupid, honestly. In that case, if you are doing something like that, you are stupid. You didn't buy here when I was yelling. Well, buy some alt. Look at the position. Look at the W. And now you are chasing here. Think it's a good idea? Sorry, people. So, yeah, we have alt here. We just SFU the high. We are coming back down. Draw a long reload zone if you want. You can see where the long reload zone is. Enjoy yourself putting a limit order in the long reload zone or wait for a W. Don't chase. I told people in the morning, take some profit, trail the rest. That's the best advice I could give you, people. I'm not okay, Swatch, I'm not with that declaration also. Possibly, probably will be in the end of the year. Saying for sure, but top will be then, it's meh. Too much confidence. We are working with probabilities. We don't know what will happen. And we have to remind ourselves every fucking day. Yeah? If you catch yourself saying this will happen, slap yourself because you don't know what will happen. You are guessing and you are taking your guess at a different level, which is bad for business, is bad for your trading. It's bad for your investment. Yeah? Strong opinions, loosely held. If you get the idea. Do whatever you want, but comp, still at the entry. If you want it, take it. Wi-Fi, similar. SSV, pumping. We have a position there. ENA. Wait for a retest there. A retest will come sooner or later, probably. We need to wait for a retest? No, because we should be already risk-free. We reached 1-to-1. The YDX, we talked about the power of 3 here. You have at least 1-to-1 here. Enjoy yourself. Similar here. I bought $12 and I publicly said that I have $10, but I'll buy 12 because I don't know if we'll hit that level. Similar here. Look at it. You think you have a trade here that hits something on lower time frame, of course. But you get the idea. Pay attention. Take this level. Look at it. Is pushing higher? Yes. And I could go over and over again. Some shitcoins are still at the buying level. I said yesterday about peer. It's still below $1, but not for long. Well, it's not below $1 anymore. At least not for the moment. People, I could go on the entire list. Okay? Some coins are pumping. But you don't want to chase something like this. What you want to see is this fucking W. Yeah? And remember next time, when you see W's like this, pay attention. You should book some profit here. I could go on the entire list. Are looking similar. Dominance is still at the same level. Imagine 60%, imagine 55%, imagine 50%. That will be an altcoin season. For the moment, it's just a scratch. Just something. So, people, on altcoins, daily, weekly, hunt the fucking daily W's here. There are still coins that they are here. Learn. I don't know how much time is taking you to learn how to play the W. You need patience? Yes. It's profitable? Definitely. If you know how to play it, the market is providing. All the markets are providing. You have to be the guy taking them. By the way, if you made more profit than usual, you can book a couple one. We still have a couple of places. Don't be the guy that spends 20k, 50k, 100k fucking around and then doesn't have $1,100 to do it properly. Just don't be that guy, please. We have couple one. We still have some places. We'll start in September. It's a lot of work and consistency. I cannot guarantee that I'll accept you. Why? Because I need to see if you are consistent. I have already 3 or 4 people that I said, no, sorry. You can stay on free part, but honestly, I don't want you not even on free part. Go somewhere else. I don't want to see you here. I'll be honest and I'll tell you in your face. Sorry. That's the reality. You are not fit to be a trader. You are not fit to learn from me. Maybe from someone else. Okay. Altcoins are looking nice. You can still buy them as investor, as a position trader. Really nice. As a day trader, no. Let's take a look. A stupid trader took this trade in the live stream 2 or 3 days ago. And now sits at, I don't know, 6, 7 hours. Everyone had the opportunity. Why? Because I framed it in the live stream on Discord, on YouTube, and I even posted on general chat. And I said, I'm taking this trade. Hopefully you took it. Don't chase here. Look at it. Don't chase it. Let's take a look at lower time frame on Bitcoin. You can see what happened with Monday high, Monday low. Yeah? Yesterday I was waiting for a deeper dip and I said, if we'll come here, I'll buy the fucking W here. No. Was enough. to retest this high. Yeah? And we can see what's happening. You see any weakness here on 4-hour chart? Any 3-bar fractals? No. Respect the pump. I could go on 1 hour. Okay. You see any 3-bar fractals here? No. You see any M? No. You should short? No. In my opinion. What I could see, I see a potential of something here. Let's see OBV. OBV still strong. RSI still strong, still in the overbought area. You know that RSI embedded in the overbought area is nice. If you see bearish divergence in the overbought area, that means close here, close below this level, and then accepting back in the normal area, well, that's a warning sign. Until then, I guess, I suspect, but it's just my 2 cents, that some people will take some profit just below 120. So that's why you see the retracement here. If there are enough sellers to push the price back down, if they are not so aggressive and they want higher, we'll see. We'll see on the chart. But what you see now is some sellers selling some spot Bitcoin below 120. Not necessarily short opening, but people selling their spot bags. And don't tell me, well, no, it's not true. We can check it out. A lot of people had 120. Big fat round number. And smart people will put their selling orders below 120. No? They don't want 120 and something. They want below. They want to get a feel if they want to sell. Okay. That's Bitcoin, Ethereum. Fighting 3,000 now. Don't chase it at 3,000. Holy grail if you want on 5-minute chart. We took some longs here. We even get the bottom. I trade a lot of them. I still have them. On all my accounts, I'm long on Ethereum. Fuck it. It's hard for me to manage the positions even. More than happy about the profit made. I don't want to chase here. Dollar cost average Bitcoin, Ethereum below 2,000. I told you to do the same. I took a lot of long positions on Ethereum. I told you I'm not shorting Ethereum. Every time someone said, I said, no, not me. Now I'm telling you not to chase at 3,000 because it's bad. I will short it. I'll say it again. No. I'll prefer to buy the dip. And if I'll hedge on Bitcoin, not on Ethereum. Just my 2 cents. Okay, Solana. If everything is pumping, Solana will have to pump also. Is the best performing chart? Nah, just starting. Imagine a AB equals CD is pointing out here. Okay, you can see it. AB, CD, house levels, things like that. 240. And then, I recommend to chase here on lower time frame? No. If you are a swing trader, a position trader, maybe you can buy something. If you are a day trader, what you can do, you can activate Holy Grail. Okay. 5-minute chart. Let's put some Holy Grail. There you go. Huh? On lower time frame, we had a trade. You can see. You don't have time for 5-minute chart. Go on 15-minute chart. Okay. Look how nice and clean it is. What do you want more, people? Entry, pump. Entry, pump. Entry. I don't know if it will be a pump or will stop me out, but I'll have to find out. How much money I'm willing to risk? Well, 0.5, 1% from my account to find out if this trend will continue or not. Pretty simple. Well, this is Holy Grail. Yeah? This indicator, private bonus for premium and VIP members. Works only on trending markets, Swason. That's Solana. Tao. Well, we made money. We are still making money on Tao. You can trade it Holy Grail on 50-minute chart. You can see. I have 4 hour. kind of a swing trade here. More than happy to hold that one. I don't want to do anything else. TIA, it's pumping. Now, $2, it's a resistance until it will be a support. Okay, don't chase here, wait for a retracement. What will happen precisely, we don't know. But a retracement here should be a buying opportunity. So hope for 1.7, 1.5. If Bitcoin will retrace now, yeah, that will push the back to 1.5 or close to that level. And that will be your buying opportunity. I posted this trade. I said about lower time frame trade. I told you about this ALJ trade. Now I'm not chasing. Now I'm enjoying the profits, people. I'm trailing. Fight to the moon. Straight to the moon. Nothing I can do. Don't chase. Anna. Strong. Don't chase here. Do something like this and wait in the long reload zone. SSV. Similar. Do something like this, people. Wait back here. Or trade with Holy Grail. Hype. We'll finally break from the range, from this range. When it's in the price discovery, and it looks like we'll go on the price discovery, we don't know where we'll stop. Portal. Enjoy yourself, people. 1, 2, 3. This one is outperforming. Just enjoy it. I don't know what to say. We framed all of that, all these trades in a live stream for public. I posted these trades. What I can do more for you? Coming at your home, open your door, open your laptop and push the button. Not my job. Alt, we talked about it. Okay? We had it, made money. I said to take some profit off and trail the rest. Let's assume that you took all the profit here. That's a 35R, people. You want to see what R you have to the high where we had it? That's a 67R. Where the fuck do you get something like that? Show me other communities where you get a trade here that will give you 60R. How many people are able to trail something like this? Not too many of them. But I'm more than happy if you resisted temptation even until this level. 35R. That's a damn good result. Ton. Don't ignore it now. Don't ignore it now. Look at 4-hour chart. What is doing here? What Ton is doing here? Nobody's talking about. They had the news, they had the pump, they had the dump, and now it's consolidating. $2.93. Do you think this one could reach 10? Could reach $20? We are talking about Telegram after all. This is buyable, people. This is huntable. Ripple. To the moon. I'm not touching Ripple at 2.5. Could go to $500 like they said in the past. Why? This is an SFU level. Yeah, could push a lot higher, indeed. But I prefer to trade something else. It's exactly like Fartcoin. I could see the chart, but I don't want to trade it. Why the fuck I should trade that one when I have better opportunities? I still have the spot bags on Ripple from the last cycle, people. I didn't sell them because they didn't perform. So if I'm not trading it, don't think I don't have exposure. Okay? Okay, that's the day trading part. Holy Grail for premium and VIP members. Don't chase if you don't know what you're doing. Don't go and FOMO buy at the market. It's bad business. You'll hear me saying over and over again, and the market will pump, but I'll say it over again. Don't chase because it's not a good idea. Okay. Well, people, unfortunately, I have an appointment to be in 40 minutes. Less than 40 minutes. So, unfortunately, I'll have to call it a live stream, dress myself, go to the dentist. I hate it, but that's what I have to do today. Okay? We'll wrap it up. Shitcoins here. Don't ignore them. Don't ignore them. They are still buyable. Watch your shitcoins. I posted that about Slurp, about Perf, about all of them. Arena and everything. Grief and all of them. Go and look what coins they are still buyable from the hand of Midas, posted by Bochan. Enjoy yourself. Go select the coins you like and go and buy them if you want. Don't ask Bochan where to buy that coin after. He'll be 10 times higher or 5 times higher. Because Bochan will tell you, I just booked the profit. I cannot give you an entry. Nothing I can do about that, Bukur. Hate it, love it, doesn't matter. I need to go. So, let's see. I want to see how many people. 26 from 1,700 people. 28 likes and 26 reposts. Just decide. What do you think? It's a good result? People, don't get me wrong. These are signs. When I'll see this one at hundreds, when I'll see the number here really big, that will be a sign for me. When I'll see the views going through the roof. For the moment, people are not interested. People are denying. Let them deny. Okay. Eyes on Bitcoin dominance. Still really important. If we'll dump even more, okay. Prepare yourself for a nice weekend on altcoins. It's Friday. If you are a premium member, see you in the New York session. Okay? I'll not be too much in the London session because I need to go, but I'll definitely be in a New York session. We can discuss levels, we can discuss new setups and things like that. When Ripple will be $500, well, I still have the bag. Yeah, they'll post, they'll do, you know. Alex, you have experience, a lot of it. You saw what happened in the last cycles. They'll do the same this time. Nothing changes. Emotions are emotions. Humans are humans. Markets are driven by emotions. It's just more obvious in a bull market, in a top of the bull market. That's it. Okay, people. Let's call it a live stream. Enjoy yourself. Trail the longs from the bottom. Don't close everything. Don't FOMO in. Wait for a retracement to get more. And just enjoy yourself. Okay. See you next time. Bye-bye.